Well, I think being tennis captain, I'd definitely be in the jocks.
Because I'm a bit of everything, but probably more jocks.
I'd be a jock.
Probably brainiacs, to be honest.
Oh, I'd be a brainy jock.
With dramatic tendencies.
I would definitely be a brainiac. I don't think I'm a jock.
No,
Definitely the drama club.
Probably the drama nerds.
Oh, 100% a drama club nerd.
My name is Troy, Dad, not Bolton.
To Coach Bolton, don't play dumb with me, and Coach Bolton's like, I'm not playing.
It's just like kindergarten, because I feel like the nostalgia of like being young again.
Yeah.
Philistine!
Crackpot!
The music and the songs, I cannot get them out of my head, and they are going to get stuck in your head for days.
I think they're just going to love the whole Scots flair that we've added to the whole thing.
I think they're just gonna love all the group numbers because they're just so bright and fun.
The contrast between it and actual high school and how in the end we all come together, but also the dances with the basketballs because they're very, very exciting.
Oh, I think they're going to enjoy the basketball scene because it's a great dance.
Oh yeah, that's definitely the best dance in the show.
The whole thing. It's gonna be really good.
I feel like it's very relatable.
Just like when everyone starts singing and dancing loudly and it's like, boom.
Green.
I think they'll love the big dance numbers and songs that they know from the movies.
Just how everyone gets into it, and can all be a lot of fun. It's all pretty funny as well.